Hey y'all, hey, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys already know what I'm here to do, and that's to bring you guys another hair review. And I would like to thank MarchQueen Hair for sending me over this beautiful unit to review. I've worked with them in the past, and I must say that everything about this company is on point. Like, look at the little bag that they sent me to store the hair in. Y'all, that's already cute. And then this is how the unit came packaged. And it is an 18-inch kinky curly headband wig. And y'all, I must say that this headband wig is absolutely gorgeous. It is the perfect kinky curly unit, and it is so nice and thick, y'all. Just look at it. So, as you guys saw from the previous clips, how this hair came packaged. It came packaged really cute. I love the fact that it came with two bags. It came with the little pink storage bag as well as the packaging bag. So I like that. Y'all, I did wash the hair. I co-washed it. I used my Shea Moisture Coconut Hydrating Conditioner to co-wash this unit, just because y'all already know that's something that I like to do. And this is it with nothing in it, you guys. Nothing in it. All I did was fluff it out and give it a little extra oomph and a little extra bounce. But you guys, this, if you have been a watcher of my channel, you know I love big hair. I love for my hair to be large and in charge, because I feel like I have a Georgia dome, so I need a lot of hair to, you know, make everything look good and make everything look seamless. So this hair gives that. It gives that va-va-voom that I need. It gives that va-va-voom that I want. And right now I kind of have it like split down the middle a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, split down the middle a little bit so that you can see the curls on both sides. And y'all, it is so pretty. This wig is true to length, because like I've said before in previous videos, you guys, some companies will have a wig advertised on the website as being a certain length, and then when you get it, it is not that length at all. But this length of this hair is so gorgeous. And y'all, I just want to pull up the specs. I don't know why I don't have it already pulled up, but I just want to pull up the specs because I want to go through it a little bit more so that, you know, you guys know a little bit more about it. Now, this is 150% density, and you guys, when I say I feel like this is more than 150% density, I feel like it is more than 150% density. It just judging from how it looked on the website, I thought that it was going to be big, but it wasn't going to be as big as I wanted it. But y'all, this hair here, y'all, it is so pretty. It is the perfect kinky curly headband wig, y'all. And at first I was thinking, do I want to add some highlights or something to it? But no, I want to keep it just like this because I really like this. This puts me in the mindset of the crochet hair that I used to wear when I used to do my crochet braids, and I used to put the water wave crochet hair in, and then I used to pick the curls apart. This is what that reminds me of. All you have to do is just like run your fingers through it, and it's ready to go. It doesn't really need any oil sheen. I mean, I would put a little bit of oil, rub it on my hands, and then rub it through the hair just to give it a little, you know, extra shine. But as far as me just putting that co-wash and doing a co-wash on it, it's the luster on it, I'm not too sure if you guys can see it, but the luster on it is pretty good. Now, I will not try to run my fingers through this just because it is curly hair, and when you have curly hair like this, you are going to get snags. So I can't tell you guys that you can run your fingers through it because you can't. It's curly hair. Like, you can do like that and your hands gonna get snagged a little bit because it's curls. It's a kinky curly unit, but she is gorgeous, and the more that I manipulate her and run my fingers through her, the bigger she gets. Like, she's giving me 70s disco queen, to be honest with y'all. She is so pretty. And this is the headband that comes on the headband wig. I just have it folded back to show off my little slick back edges. I didn't put anything on my edges, I just slicked them back. But yes, you guys already know the drill. If it's good hair, it makes it to the channel and it gets a video. If it is not good hair, then we don't even waste our time with that. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit for yourself, I will leave the link down below for it in the description box. It is an Amazon special, and I do want to thank MarchQueen. This is my second time working with MarchQueen Hair, and they did not disappoint. I do want to thank MarchQueen for sending me this beautiful unit to review, because you guys, she is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Just look. Let's take a moment to appreciate. All right, you guys, so I will leave the link for this hair down in the description box below. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join the tribe. All right, you guys, peace.